Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to switch on your iPhone. So with the new software of Apple, iOS 12.1.2, you do need to press and hold the side button. Press and hold the side button in order to turn on your iPhone. But with the older software, which I prefer, you just press once and you can turn on your iPhone just like that, the side button once, and you can turn on your iPhone. But with the new software you need to press and hold for 4 seconds. Now like that, and then release, then your iPhone will be turned on. I like the older software, but iOS 12.1.2 is like that for turning on your iPhone. And I hope the Apple release new software so that we just press once and we can turn on our iPhone. Thanks for watching. Bye.